Today on Crypto Radar, I'm drawing your attention to something super exciting. Imagine if classic MemeClip style mini games collided with your favorite memes and crypto play-to-earn mechanics. Intrigued? Well, that's exactly what MemeClip is bringing to the table, and it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the Web3 gaming space. So, let's dive into what makes this project so unique and why it's catching massive attention right now. Welcome back to my channel. I'm OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2016. So, let's see what made me curious about MemeClip and why I decided to feature it here on this channel for your attention. MemeClip is a blockchain-based arcade platform merging three big trends: nostalgic minigames, viral meme culture, and play-to-earn gaming. So, if you grew up loving those quick browser games from the early 2000s, think MemeClip hits like 8-ball pool, or if you have a soft spot for memes like Dodge, Pepe, or Popcat, this is tailor-made for you. But here's the twist. Instead of just playing for fun, you earn crypto tokens based on your skill and competition in the games. The project even introduces a very cool peer-to-peer player versus player battle pod system where players stake equal amounts of the native MemeClip token to compete head-to-head. Winner takes it all. That means casual gaming suddenly feels like a real adrenaline rush with real crypto rewards in the mix. And what really makes MemeClip 1 vs 1 pod battle stand out from other play-to-earn games is how it transforms casual gaming into high-stakes, skill-based competition with real financial rewards at the center. Most play-to-earn games focus on grinding or cooperative play, often with random loot or passive rewards. MemeClip, however, flips that by offering direct player versus player battles where skill and strategy determine the winner. Two players each stake an equal amount of the MemeClip token into a pot, then compete live in fast minigames. The winner walks away with the entire pot, and this creates tangible high adrenaline incentive to get better, to compete seriously. MemeClip also offers a portfolio of meme-inspired minigames featuring beloved characters with their own superpowers. Dodge Kart is a chaotic meme kart racer full of speed boosts and meme attacks. Pepe's Pool Party, these are meme-powered billiards with quirky trick shots. Popcat's Soccer Showdown, it's a high-energy football with Popcat's famous pops as power shots. Or Subway Meme Rush is an endless runner dodging obstacles while collecting meme relics. Each game supports 1 vs 1 wagers in MemeClip tokens, turning friendly competition into prize-winning battles. Plus, they have seasonal leaderboards, team tournaments, and social features that make sharing your meme-worthy wins easy and fun. This player versus player format showcases pure skill and strategy, eliminating luck-based or team-dependent factors common in other games. It's a true duel where you and your opponent's individual capabilities shine. It offers immediate payout rather than waiting for long-term farming, which is highly motivating and keeps players engaged match after match. There's a vibrant esports vibe with leaderboards, ranked matches, and seasonal tournaments built around these wagers. So competition scales from casual to hardcore. Plus, it empowers players economically to generate income based on their skill without pay-to-win barriers or grinding, just pure merit-based earnings. This approach is distinct because it combines the viral appeal of meme culture or nostalgia for quick mini-game fun and a transparent, trustless smart contract system ensuring fair pot payouts and anti-cheat protections. Many games struggle with balancing player versus player wagering due to cheating or latency. MemeClip's Ethereum Layer 2 scalability and secure smart contracts innovate by enabling smooth, fair, real-time player versus player matches. So in short, MemeClip's player versus player pod battles transform casual meme gaming into a skill-driven crypto esports experience where you can not only flex your meme mastery but also truly earn by winning. Okay, now let's talk tokenomics and the utility of this token. MemeClip is the ticker symbol of the token. It is the heart of MemeClip's ecosystem with a total supply of 9 billion tokens. What's nice here is that there is no private or seed rounds, only a public pre-sale, which means fair access for everyone that's interested in joining early. The key utilities of the token include player versus player match wagers with real token pots, rewards from daily games, leaderboards and tournaments, staking opportunities offering massive early APYs up to 1000% during the pre-sale phases. Also, marketplace use for buying skins, power-ups and meme NFT collectibles. There's also DAO governance, where token holders actively vote on game features, meme integrations and rewards. So the community is going to be really involved. It's literally shaping the future of this project. What makes MemeClip's tokenomics fair and appealing to me comes down to several important factors that focus on transparency, inclusivity, sustainability, and real utility, as I just outlined. Indeed, first, MemeClip skips the private and seed rounds entirely. They offer only a public pre-sale. This is not very common these days, and it is actually very good. This ensures that everyone gets the same opportunity to buy tokens at fair prices without insiders having early unfair advantages. It really levels up the playing field to retail investors who want to get in early. Also, second, the project has a fixed total supply of 9 billion tokens with a transparent emission schedule. This helps prevent overinflation. It supports long-term value by controlling how the new tokens enter the market. This is very important for any holder. Also, third, their staking program is designed to reward early supporters with supermassive yields up to 1000%. Now, that is not going to go on forever. It is not sustainable to continue. This is why this is being offered only to early investors, and I welcome that. I think this is really cool. Then comes the real utility of their token, which is baked into the platform. It can be staked, it can be wagered, used to buy skins and collectibles, and for governance, voting on key decisions. So this is all great. I should also add that their community-first approach without venture capital involvement to the list here. This is good because it means that there is less risk of insider dumping and more alignment with long-term token holders who shape the future direction of this platform. And finally, tokens are released fairly and securely at the token generation event, avoiding early sale pressure or market manipulation, while smart contracts are audited to protect holders. So, as you see, MemeClip offers early investors a really fair shot through the open access, sustainable token economics, and actual utility that grows with its community and gameplay ecosystem. It's a solid blend, if you ask me, of fun and fundamentals that stand out in the crypto gaming space. And also very important to mention that MemeClip is built on Ethereum utilizing the ERC20 standard, but it combines this with layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum, meaning much cheaper transactions, because it dramatically cuts the gas fees and reduces the latency, which is a must-have for smooth real-time one-versus-one gaming. Plus, Ethereum's tried and tested security offers fair matchmaking and trustless payouts via smart contracts. They're also future-proofing the platform with on-chain NFTs that can be interoperable across games, adding depth and value to in-game assets. The gaming industry is booming, projected to hit $300 billion by 2030, and MemeClip is spot on by focusing on the mobile casual games that generate revenue from quick, addictive gameplay. What's really clever here is that they're connecting this with meme culture, which has billions of active social media users worldwide, giving MemeClip an organic, viral marketing advantage. Moreover, the booming play-to-earn and esports spaces mean that skill-based wagering games like MemeClip can seamlessly tap into competitive gaming's growth scene. And MemeClip is all about community. Through DAO governance, players have a say in how the game evolves. Also, competitive seasonal tournaments, social shareable clips, and strategic partnerships with Web3 influencers boost the public engagement and, of course, the hype, which is all we care about. The blend of social culture and gaming creates a unique space for crypto fans. So all in all, there are quite a few factors that I'm taking into account that are making this quite appealing to me. And then looking at the roadmap, phase 1, community building, token pre-sale, alpha testing and early influencer buzz. This is all happening already. The phase 2 is their beta launch with one versus one matchmaking, social features and token listings on exchanges. This is what everyone is going to be really eager about. Phase 3, we're going to see the full game suite being released, staking and DAO rollouts, meme NFT launches and global prize tournaments. So the bottom line is, for anyone who's into casual gaming, who loves memes and wants real crypto rewards for their time and skills, MemeClip looks like an indie gem in a sea of overhyped, complicated gamified projects. It revives the fun, the simplicity of classic browser games, but with a modern crypto twist. The project's community-first model, the fair tokenomics, and a very promising roadmap make it an ideal choice for this year and beyond, of course. And yes, this is still in early stage, so as always, be mindful of risks, but if the fusion of meme culture, NFTs and play to earn sounds like your kind of vibe, MemeClip deserves a spot in your watch list. I urge you to check out the links that I dropped in the description below. Make sure to join their socials, not only so that you can monitor, their community activity, but more importantly, their announcements and give future giveaways, new launches, listings, and any major things that are going to affect the price, which of course, as a token holder, you will care about. The Telegram and the Twitter links are also down below, so check them out. And that's it, that's a wrap for today's Crypto Radar deep dive. If you want more reviews like this, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on MemeClip. Are you ready to let the memes pay you? Drop a comment below and I'll catch you in the next one.